This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the laptop off and removing power and battery so you don't short anything. Once done, flip the machine and use compressed air to blow obvious debris from around the space key. Make sure to have a plastic pry tool or flat fingernail to gently pop the keycap off. This gives access to the retainer and switch. You do this first because most spacebar failures come from trapped debris or a misshated keycap, and it's fast and safe. Once the cap is off, look carefully at the scissor hinge and rubber membrane. If the retainer is out of place, you'll see it. Gently realign it so the little hooks match the keyboard plate. Clean sticky residue with a small cotton swab lightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol because it dissolves grime and dries quickly. Make sure nothing touches the switch contacts. After cleaning and realigning, let the area air dry and test the motion of the retainer. You finish by snapping the keycap back on, pressing evenly across the spacebar until it clicks into place so the scissor hooks engage. Then reconnect power and boot to confirm the key registers reliably. Use a text field or an on-screen keyboard to test. If the key still feels mushy or doesn't register, update or reinstall keyboard drivers and try an external USB keyboard to isolate hardware versus software. One troubleshooting tip: if the retainer is broken, replace the retainer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.